Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes. Take a long deep breath in and expand your awareness. Whatever it means for you, just expand. Allow yourself to be aware of the space around you, the space in your room, in the room you are in right now. And acknowledge the presence of your angels there. Some of you may see them in your mind's eye. Some of you may hear the whispers in your ears. Some of you may feel their presence, or just know that they are there. If you're listening to my voice right now, if you're here with me right now, there is no coincidence. Your angels are connected with you. Just allow yourself to receive from your angels. And now get present to your physical body, right from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes, and know that your body is a miracle in itself. And every cell of your body has its own intelligence. And allow your body now to release any and all the energies of self-judgment, of self-doubt. Let it all just release, go out of your body and surrender all of that to your angels. Your angels today are ready, willing, and happy to heal all the past traumatic memories, all the known or unknown incidences that may have ever happened to you that made you believe, everything that is stopping you from experiencing the joy in your life. Allow yourself to release everywhere you learned that it's not easy to be happy. Everywhere you learned that you're not allowed to be happy. Allow yourself to travel to a time when you were a small child, maybe about 7 or 8 years old, or little older than that, and you were laughing and having fun and enjoying And then came an adult who was upset in his old world, or he was implanted by some other adult when he was a kid that you should be serious. So he just scolded you tightly, or he gave you a slap. Allow yourself to receive all your powers back, and you may find yourself telling this adult, "Thank you so much for your concern. You can keep this seriousness of yours to yourself. I will take my joy back. Thanks a lot." Allow that joy to merge into each and every cell of your body. Allow yourself to experience how does the joy actually feels like. And allow yourself to be happy whether anybody around you choose to be happy or not. You choose happiness. A happiness which is not dependent on anything. Now, allow yourself to move to a point of time in the past where you learned that you can only be happy if you get something. Like maybe your teacher telling you that, how can you not be happy? How can you be happy with this kind of marks? Or you can only be happy if you get good marks. Or you can only be happy if you get a toffee or a toy or anything. Or you saw an adult feeling sad and you tried to understand them and you picked up their energy. Allow all those energies to release from your body now. Surrender all of that to your angels. They are happy to heal it and claim, own, and receive all your unconditional joy. Claim, own, and receive your capacity to be happy, irrespective of people around you. Now allow yourself to travel to the point of time energetically where you learned from your mom that when father is upset, angry, or unhappy, you are supposed to be upset and unhappy. And everywhere you decided that so your happiness is dependent on others being happy. Everywhere you concluded you will never be happy if they don't choose to be happy. Oh, they didn't even know they have a choice. So they were not even choosing to be happy, and you gave up your happiness for unhappy people. Everywhere you gave up your happiness for the unhappy people, hoping that maybe one day they will be happy. Just allow all of that to let go right now. And now you may expand yourself, expand your energetic arms and spread them to all your angels, your spirit guides, the ascended masters, and ask them to show you what joy is to gift you the joy and the energy of joy. And they will tell you the secret through me, perhaps today, that you know what? You have been thinking that if you will get this, then you will get joy. And the funny thing is, when you choose to be joy, you can have everything. Because it is in the vibration of the joy. You can have a stronger connection with us. It is in the vibration of joy. You can allow to break those walls and doors and gates that you have created over so many years and lifetimes with your doubt and other people's lies that you bought, and allow the avalanches of prosperity, joy, and everything wonderful that you're seeking. So just choose joy. Make your joy your priority. And if you choose to be joy while others around you are not choosing to be joy, and they judge you as selfish, they don't even have to say that to you. You are so psychic, you can sense that even when they think like that about you. And you shrink instead of shrinking. What if you don't shrink? What if you expand and claim and own and acknowledge that, yes, I'm not selfish, I'm selfish. I choose to make my joy the priority, as I have discovered the secret to everything I desire in life, and even beyond that, all the wonderful experiences in my life. As it is with the true energy of joy, I can raise my vibration and connect with my angels, and along with my angels, I can have a beautiful life. Just acknowledge that. And now you can ask your angels to contribute to everybody in your life, in your family, at your workplace, in your neighborhood. Contribute to all of them. Don't expect that, oh, now when the angels are contributing to them, they will become probably nicer with me and my life will be better. Don't expect that. When you will start believing that your angels are always with you and things get easier and easier, the things will actually start getting easier and easier. And all those people who may seem difficult right now may just either go away or just change, because you are not vibrating at the frequency of anything less than joy. Take a long deep breath in and experience joy in every cell of your body. Once again, expand your energetic arms. You can actually take your arms out. Expand your arms. Open your arms up. Look up. Take a long deep breath in and repeat with me. I choose to receive the vibration of joy. I choose to be the vibration of joy. I choose to take actions in the direction of that which will bring me more joy. I choose to gift joy to the world. I choose to spread the joy. And I allow my angels to contribute the vibration of joy to me. I allow the universe to contribute the energy of joy to me. Put your hands on your heart and take a long, deep breath in, feeling your heart chakra shining bright green. As you fill your heart with joy. Thank your angels, thank the universe. You can rub your palms, put them on your eyes. And whenever you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation, journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax. And just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.